How to fix Instagram filters not working on Story on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix it easy and quick. First, open settings, scroll down, click apps, and then apps again, and here type Instagram, click on it and click force stop, and go to storage, clear cache. And now if you have an iOS, here, if that doesn't fix your problem, click clear data and click OK. And now if you have an iPhone, just go to settings and then go to general and then iPhone storage, then click Instagram and click offload. And if that doesn't fix your problem, now go to Play Store or App Store and make sure your Instagram is updated. Just maybe you'll find here updates and click on it, then restart your phone and try again. And I hope that can fix your problem, and see you in the next video.